What is up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we are back on my favorite website, and if you're new here, that website is stake.us. The reason I love that website is because it's fun, it's entertaining, and that's how I make my money. It's entertainment slash a little bit of extra money in the process. I have a very strict rule where if you make 20% of your balance at any point when you're playing any of my strategies or anytime you're ever playing online, to always take your profits. That's kind of the rule, but before we jump into the video, I just want to tell you guys, if you're also new to stake.us, don't forget to use my code FAST. There's going to be a little clip in the video further on that explains how to input that code. Check out some of the other videos so you can see some other cool strategies that we've done in the past. Anyways, without any more talking, let's jump into the video and show you guys this cool strategy. All right, guys, we're going to be on a game called Diamonds. This is a manual strategy again, and that's what we're going to do. So basically what you want to do is you want to go to, I like to have my life stats open just so I can see everything happening. And this is going to be a manual strategy, and it's pretty simple, but essentially what we're going to do is we're going to start with a wager of 5 cents, and every 2 losses we are going to increase our bet by 100%, and every 1 win we decrease by 50%, and that's pretty much it. And then we reset on net gain. Every time we have a net gain or net profit, we're going to reset our wager back to our base wager. So that's pretty simple, but yeah, let's get into it. Before we start this video, if you're new to Stake and want to try these strategies, go ahead and hit on settings, offers, and for the welcome offer, put in the code FAST. This will instantly activate monthly and weekly rewards, as well as enter you into Stake's VIP program and get you a bonus of $25 Stake cash with 250,000 gold coins. After you verify your email, you can claim your bonus. Now let's jump back into the video. All right, that is 2 losses, so we increase 1, 2 losses, 1. All right, that is a net gain, so we go back to 5 cents. 1, 2 losses, we increase 1, 2, 1, 2, we increase 1, net gain, so we decrease. And now we're at a profit. We decrease, we go back to 5 cents. 1, 2, increase, 1, 2. We are not at a net gain, so we do decrease the bet, but it just brings us back to base. We just do that. All right, and now we increase. All right, and that's profit. Oops, we continue on. That as long as it's in profit, we stay at our base wager of 5 cents. The goal is to make 20%, so 20 bucks of our balance, and that is the goal. So okay, 1, 2. All right, that's a win. That's a win. As long as wins keep happening, we don't change anything. We only increase after 2 losses. So, and yeah, it's pretty simple. Basically, if you have 2 losses, you increase, and if you have a win and it's not at a profit, you decrease by 50%. But if it is a win that's at a profit, you go back to base wager. Anyways, I'm gonna speed through this portion of the video and catch back up with you guys as soon as that is done. And yeah, we'll catch up back with you guys when I speed through this, and hopefully it works out for us. But hopefully you guys get the concept of it. Like I said, you start with a base wager and you wager that amount. As long as you keep winning, you keep wagering it. If you have 2 losses in a row, you increase by 2, you increase by 100%, you wager that, and you keep doing that, increasing by 100% every 2 losses. But if every time you get a win, you decrease by 50%. And yeah, and then when you get a total net profit, you go back to base wager. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. You can also, I like to have this My Games open so I can always reference which bets I've done. Currently, we need to go up and do 2 bets at 10 cents. But yeah, we'll speed through this, and I'll catch back up with you guys here shortly. Alrighty guys, that is 20%. We started with 100, we made 20%. Seemed pretty smooth. We didn't really have any too big of dips. At this point right here somewhere, we did have quite a bit of a scary dip where we were already at $12.80. Maybe don't use a $5 wager for a $100 balance. I would say maybe use a divider of 10,000. So if you're using $100, use a wager of 1 cent. That way it gives you a little bit of a better chance, but it still worked out for us in the end. Like I said, I think we need to do a better divider, because I think with 5 cents, the divider is only like 2,000 for the $100 balance, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, use a divider of, like, I'd say 10,000. That way you could have a better chance. But other than that, it worked out great. We made 20%. Like, that's my rule. Don't get greedy. And as you guys can see, like, it wasn't too scary of a dips. But this one could have been bad, because if that $12.80 bet lost, then we would have had to go to $25 bet, and that would have been scarier. Because then we would have only had 2 wagers left. So like I said, maybe use a wager of 1 cent for a $100 balance. That puts you at around 10,000 divider, which means you divide your balance by 10,000, and that is your wager for this strategy. But overall, it's a great strategy. I haven't really played with it much off camera, and so kind of just remembered playing it a long time ago and decided that this is something I want to show you guys today, because I thought it'd be cool to revisit it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that. This was fun to make. It was a good strategy, and we made some profit. 20%, like I said, good to cap it. We could keep chasing it, but like I said, I don't think I'm using the right divider for this amount. I would say the safer divider is going to be 10,000, but go ahead and try this strategy and follow my Discord in the description and post your winnings in my Discord so we can see how you guys are doing. Also, don't forget, if you're new to stake.us, go ahead and sign up. Use my code FAST. That will give you monthly, weekly, and daily bonuses, which you can redeem right away. There's no reason to wait for anything, which is really cool. And also, if you verify your email within the first 24 hours, there's a little bonus in there of 25 stake cash and 250,000 gold coins to practice my strategies. And as well, you could redeem that bonus as well if you wanted to. So yeah, go ahead and use my code FAST. But that also enters you into all kinds of giveaways and things that we're going to be doing on our Discord. Just don't forget to follow that. Thanks again so much for watching, guys. If you like these kind of videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see or what kind of style of content you guys want to see going forward. I appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.